Let's start a tour of our little small garden in front of our apartment. And we're gonna first start with cucumbers are coming along very, very well. Look at that. Look at that. And they're just coming. Look, look, look.
I see a whole bunch of them.
They just coming.
The devil want my food.
And here goes our cayenne peppers. They're just coming. And our jalapeno peppers. 2 sunflower petunias that's growing. Roses. And my tomatoes. I thought my better boy wasn't gonna thrive. We have to bring out elephant ears and put them in another pot. And put them together. And you see how beautifully they coming back together? Where's her other plant?